Hello there, everyone, and welcome back for day 2. It's December 2nd, and we are going to break into another slot in our 24-day survival bushcraft camping advent box to see what kind of stocking stuffer we might have available today. Okay, so yesterday we broke into box 1, December 1st, and we found a compass. That's a really nice item to add to somebody's kit. It's a really great idea for a stocking stuffer. Today we're going to break into the second compartment and see what might be in there. I don't know. There's a lot of things could be, but let's see what's in this next compartment. So let's see what we're going to pull out of here if I can get my hand on it. It's a little cold today. My fingers are getting numb. Oh, Bic lighters. What a great, incredible stocking stuffer. So some of you might be wondering, why would I get lighters as a stocking stuffer? Well, first of all, stocking stuffers are supposed to be inexpensive, and these are. You can get these for just a few bucks. You get them at Dollar Tree, you can get them at Walmart, you can get them just about any place. The other thing is, anybody who's a bushcrafter, outdoors person, camper, knows that you've got to have good ways to start fires. Now, there's the traditional bushcraft way. You can use a ferro rod, you can use a lens, you could use a bow drill, I suppose. You can use matches, survival matches, and that kind of thing. But a lighter is an incredible backup. Many people not only keep lighters in their fire kits, but they also keep lighters in their everyday carry. As you've seen from a video I've done earlier, I have my everyday carry, and I do carry a lighter. These things are great for starting fires. These things are great for melting the ends of paracord. I'll get it out in a minute. And they're also, you can wrap duct tape around them, which can be used not only to fix things, but it can also be used as a fire starter item. Even when the fuel runs out of one of these things, these are still useful because you'll still be able to create a spark with the wheel and the flint, which means you might be able to catch some tinder on fire. If it's the only result, the only tool you've got left, this could be the thing that saves your life. So everybody needs a lighter as an everyday carry item. They need lighters in their fire kits that are in their backpacks. They need lighters in their everyday just day packs that they're going into the woods with. These are absolute must-haves for every outdoorsman. So make sure you get some of these and put them in your favorite outdoorsman stocking this Christmas. Remember what we always say, stay strong, stay prepared, and have a blessed day. And Merry Christmas to everyone.